Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be microwaving a glass bottle, but to make things more interesting, I filled it with paintballs. So let's see what happens with this. Alright, so I'm gonna put the bottle in for about 10 minutes, I guess, and we'll see what goes on. Oh man, something happened. Let's stop this. Oh my gosh. So it looks like the paintballs have exploded. This microwave is a mess. That was crazy. So this is the aftermath of the bottle. The bottle's perfectly fine, just the microwave's not doing so well. Gonna have to clean this up, but if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and comment down below if you'd like to see anything else microwaved. See you next time.